lucky we made it.
Why?
Because I was running out of gas the last 4 laps because we didn't put no more in it.
There's no f***ing way.
When I was sitting on that incline, the car died. It died because a little bit of fuel went to the left side of the tank. We only put 5 gallons in it today. We raced 2 races last weekend.
All right, we made it to Bulls Gap, Volunteer Speedway, the home track here. It's the first weekly racing event of the year of 2026. So, welcome to episode, I think we're on 7? Yeah, maybe. Welcome to this week's episode of Playdation Racing. And we got the car ready. We just watched the prepping that we went through way late last night. We're all tired, but we're ready to go. There's a bunch of street stocks here today, nearly 20, so should be a pretty good showing. I don't know how much we're gonna be in the mix with our, legal car, but there's a few legal cars we get to play with, so we'll see what happens.
Here's our open wheel modifieds. Open wheel modifieds will do the same thing. They'll get 3 laps of hot laps, and then we'll bring them back in a little bit for their qualifying efforts. So over now will be our
The race pass isn't updating. I don't know.
I really was probably one of the top 5.
I know. He looked good.
He finally, man, he like last.
Well, all the top 5 were big ass motors. You heard them all.
69. I wish somebody protested him.
Oh, yeah?
Make it past the enemy and take.
Unfortunately, my race pass isn't updating, so I have no idea where you are.
Perfect. How did it fail? Feels good. That's all it's got. That's all it's got. I was bumping the chip with that gear.
That's 69. We ain't got nothing for that later motor.
No,
What gear is that?
that's the 583.
I was bumping the chip with it.
You were fast.
I was.
I mean,
it look
you
fast?
looked fast. Hopefully my race pass updates soon.
We got the grinder.
The grinder?
Yeah, we do.
But the point is look at it. Like it's so much higher now and it's still doing that.
Yeah, change that crash rod spring. Push it back and with the jack up, see that jack it over.
First lap for Robbie Buchanan in that 31 wheel. That'll be time of a 13.507. Coming to the first lap flag.
Bro, they made the driver do it.
Third fastest, Bronson Dennis. Fourth fastest.
4 laps and we didn't put no more in it.
There's no f***ing way.
When I was sitting on that incline, the car died. It died because a little bit of fuel went to the left side of the tank. We only put 5 gallons in it today. We raced 2 races last weekend. So that last lap on that last restart, it wouldn't go.
I thought it was the detents on the transmission again.
No, transmission's fine. Grab that, will you?
Yeah.
No, we was running out of gas.
Well, that's a jackass mistake. We had too much and we were thinking about not doing the basics.
You know what though? This thing was faster, as fast as all of them right there.
I know. If it wasn't for the cheaters, we'd be great.
That's more what happened. Don't be down on yourself. It's still a good race.
He ran out of gas.
You know when they had to push me off? Yeah. Well, where I was sitting on that incline, all the fuel, the little bit of fuel went to the left side of the tank, so it died. So that's why I had to get back where it was flat. When we was going, it was still picked up, but
Yes.
they ran out of gas. They put 5 gallons. We put 5 gallons.
Oh my. Evil Knievel here. What was that? Well, hey, remember when I said I was gonna get my fall on camera? I got that on camera too. Hey, you know what race cars need? You know what race cars need?
More motors.
Gas.
That right there was nothing but horsepower.
No, but he ran out of gas.
You ran out of gas?
We were so busy thinking about 100 other things.
I said that to them down there. I said, did they put gas in? Yeah. Okay.
We put 5 gallons in it, but I didn't think it was that low.
If you run a full race, you're putting at least 10 in it the next race.
Well, and we ran 2 full races, so that explains it.
And that little green thing right there.
We probably had 7 gallons in it. You had some great passings, which, by the way, when you hit the berm up here, kicked up dirt, I got it perfectly. It's going to be an awesome looking video, yeah.
Hey, I know he was telling me to go to the low side over there.
No.
But when
Every time you came, you gained a car length on whoever was in front of you. Every time.
If they would have just went to the bottom, I could have went around. I caught him.
That's a big ass motor.
I caught the one.
Yeah. Yeah, you and Chris are both legal, Ventura.
Yeah.